Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to reduce the size of your digital signature in a PDF, step by step. If you're dealing with large signatures that take up too much space on your document, this guide is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. Step 1. Open File Explorer and locate your PDF file. Once you've found it, right-click on the file, and from the context menu, choose Open with Microsoft Word. This will allow you to edit the document in Word, which supports resizing embedded elements like digital signatures. Step 2. After the PDF is open in Word, find your digital signature within the document. Double-click on the signature to select it. You'll notice small dots or handles appearing around the edges of the signature. Click and drag one of these handles inward to resize the signature to your desired dimensions. Be sure to adjust proportionally so the signature doesn't look stretched or distorted. Step 3. Once you're happy with the size, save your changes. Click on File in the top left corner and then choose Save As. Select the location where you want to save the updated document, and under the file format options, make sure to select PDF. This will save your changes back to a PDF format, complete with the resized signature. And that's it! You've successfully reduced the size of your digital signature in a PDF. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.